Okay, hi all, good morning. So let's start with the assignment discussion. Six. Okay, we'll start with assignment discussion. So this is assignment question I have given last week. Do you have any question in the assignment, anyone? Any question which you want to discuss?
Yes, sir. Hi, sir. This is Sharia.
Yeah,
Uh,
Ashani.
sir, when we are doing the assignments in, suppose I'm doing in Oracle, like SQL, so whatever scripts I have written earlier, so how can I view it like now? Because as I can see, there is no scripts there which I have written and run. So how
Oh,
can
yeah.
I find this?
Yeah, you are correct. Actually, this is an open source. Okay, so many of the features you will see it is missing here. So once you have written a script, make it a habit to copy it immediately. Okay. And the second thing is like the session, if you will keep it idle for maybe like 10 to 15 minutes, it will automatically log out and you have to log in again. So you have to take care of this thing. So once you have written some script, so either you'll be having an option of download, you can save it from there, or immediately copy it and save it in some notepad. Okay. The next way is, but this is a little bit tedious task, but I will tell you, you have to click here. Hope my screen is visible.
Yes, yes, please.
Okay, you have to click there, go to my session, previous sessions. Okay, now from this, whatever session you have taken, like you click on that, you will get all the queries. Okay, and then from here, if you want the scripts only, statements only, click on the statements only. This will show you only statements. Hope it is clear.
Yes, yes.
But I will suggest you not to go with this method. Make it a habit that whenever you have written some script, uh, quickly try to copy that from there. Okay.
Understood. And if we want to try to create the same table again, so like it will be done. It won't show any error, I guess. Yeah,
Same table again. So yeah, same table again, it will throw error message.
like which I have created in 2 days ago or 3 days ago, and now again, if I'm trying to create.
So it will not be visible. It will not be visible. Actually, here what happened in this Oracle Lifecycle platform, it is open source. Okay. So suppose here I have created a table, some table. Okay. And once the session is log out, so automatically that table will be deleted from this database. In your real-time project, that doesn't happen. So you don't have to bother about that. In your real-time project, it will be there. Even if you log in after 1 day, 2 day, 1 week, 1 month, it will be there. But because this is an open source, this is on browser. Okay, so this will not be, this will not stay there. So once it is logged out, it will be deleted. And if you're trying to retrieve that table again, you cannot see that. Okay.
Understood.
But if
Yes.
you're practicing on this MySQL or any other platform like SQL Server, so here they provide that option. It will be
Yes.
stored there. Okay. But I will request you, I will suggest you don't get deviated or don't get confused with all those things. Okay. So when you're working in your project, so you'll be having licensed version of Oracle or any other application. There, once the table is created, it will remain there. Okay. Until unless we're not deleting it, it will be there. So don't get confused with all this stuff. Okay,
Sure.
fine.
Yes, sir. Thank you.
No problem. Uh, any other question from assignment? Do you have any question, guys? Last week I have. See, actually, no, earlier in the previous batches, what we used to do is like we used to share the assignment on a daily basis. And then the participants, they have to share the solution. And I used to give the feedback or the review comments on the solution. But then we realized that many of you are missing that because many of you are not working on the assignments because of your hectic timelines or official commitments. Many other commitments are there. So that's why since the last batch, we have changed the format and we thought that, okay, it will be better if we will discuss the assignment in a daily class. Okay, so that's why I know that will be time consuming for me. Okay, but that is fine. Everyone can understand if there is any concept in any question if it is stuff. Okay. So let me know, guys, if you have any question or you want me to go through one by one all the questions, what you suggest, or if you have not tried, you want to try it. Or if you have tried, let me know where you are stuck. I think this question we have discussed last time. I think this one we have discussed now. I'm not sure, I forgot. I think we have discussed this. Okay. So let me know down the line if you have any question. Okay. I'll proceed to the next topic now. And hope my voice is audible to everyone. The screen is visible.
Yes.
Okay. I make the session interactive, ask questions. Okay. Okay. So, and let me check with this one, not this. I will start with order by today. Okay. Create table employee. Okay. ID and so here I'm trying to create a table with the name employee. I have a column ID and data type is int. So how many columns we have in this table?
One.
One column. Okay. Good. Three, 5, 3, 4. Okay. Now in this table, if you see, I have inserted 5 records. Okay. So can you tell me the script to check the data of this table? What is the query for that?
Select column
Select
name
name.
from table.
Select column name or a star from
Yeah, or
table. So if you execute this query, this will give you all the records of the table. If you don't want to use a star, you can give the column name as well, your wish. Okay, so this is giving me all the data of this table. Hope it is clear. Very simple. Okay, fine. Now, is this okay? Tell me one thing. In the last class, have you taught you how to sort the data, ascending order, descending order? Have you covered that?
No, no.
No,
Okay,
no.
fine. Sorry, guys. Actually, I am confused sometimes because 2 batches are running. No, so it's sometimes I get confused that in which batch, which topic I have covered. So fine. So here, is this data sorted in ascending or descending order?
No.
No. So many times it happens. You want the data to be sorted, right, in ascending or descending order, correct? So for that, we have a keyword order by. Okay, so order by is a reserved keyword. The moment you will write order by, the engine will understand that, oh, user wants to sort the data. Okay, then you have to tell that you want to sort on which column. I want to sort on the column ID. Okay, that's all. I'm running it. Observe the output. Is this sorted now? Yes, no.
Yeah, it is. Yeah.
yes,
It is sorted, right? Okay. It is sorted in which order? Ascending order or descending order?
ascending order.
Ascending order. So whenever you want to sort the data, you have to use this keyword order by and the column name on which you want to sort. That's all. Any question?
Tanvir, one question.
Hmm.
As we can do in the row number 8, select star instead of ID. So can here order by star
Then also
and
it will work. Yes.
select by star,
Order by a
sorry,
star you're
order
telling.
by star.
No. That will not work. So here you have to explicitly write the column name. Just string error message, right? In order by, you have to write the column name on which you want to sort. I will tell you the reason why. Okay, but you have to mention the column name here. Hope it is clear, Lilith?
Yes.
Okay. Any other question? You see, intentionally I am asking you to ask question because many other concepts are there in order by, but I want to check how much you are thinking in this, how much interaction you're going to have. Okay, so ask question if you have any.
How about descending and
Good. This is what I'm expecting. Here I sorted in ascending order, but suppose many times you want data to be sorted in descending order, right? Correct. So for that, you have to use this DESC. DESC means descending. Here you are telling SQL engine to sort the ID in descending order. Okay, now check the output. Is this sorted in descending order?
Yes, yeah.
Yes.
Okay. So then there is a question that Tanvir, here you have not written anything, right? This example, I have not written anything. This is in which order?
Ascending.
Ascending, right? So what it means, I have not written anything ascending or descending. So by default, it is taking which order?
Ascending.
Ascending order, right? So when you're not mentioning anything, by default, it will take ascending order. Hope it is clear.
Yeah. Clear.
Yes.
Okay, good. Now, but the question is that, okay, fine, Tanvir, by default, when the student will take ascending order. But if I have written here ascending, then it is one and the same. Okay, I have written ASCII ascending, still the output is ascending order. Hope it is clear. Hope it is clear.
Yes.
Yes.
Yes, okay, good.
Yes.
Yeah.
Now, tell me one thing. Have I discussed about null, zero, blank in the previous class?
No.
Yes.
No.
I think we
Yes,
discussed
sir.
it. Yeah, discussed.
We discussed, okay, no issues. I will cover that again. So that quickly I will cover it again, okay. So suppose we have, I'm giving it this time a different example. Last time I think I have given which example? You guys remember?
Marks example you were giving.
Marks example. Good, you remembered it. Perfect. Whenever you're attending class, next day class, please revise the class, the previous class, whatever I have taught, okay. So suppose now I'm giving you example from transaction. Suppose I have a transaction ID and the value is 100. This is clear that for transaction ID 1, value was 100. For transaction ID 2, value is 0. This said it is clear. There is a transaction ID 2, value was 0. Maybe transaction amount is 0. Transaction ID 3, it is blank. Okay. So if transaction ID 3, it is blank. Okay. So suppose my manager has sent me this data and I'm running a e-commerce application site. Okay. So my manager has sent me this data. He told that for transaction ID 1, this is a transaction. For transaction ID 2, this is a transaction. For transaction ID 3, he told it is blank. Okay. I'd ask him to the manager that why you have kept it blank. He told that actually this transaction is just still completed. We are waiting for that. So once it is completed, I will update the value here. It happens so many times. You are doing a payment, right? And payment has not completed. Still, it is in processing, right? So in that case, we keep it blank because we are not sure the transaction will be completed or it will be rollback. Is it clear?
Yeah. Yes.
Okay. Then fourth scenario, my manager has kept this null. I asked him that, okay, you for the transaction ID 3, you kept it blank. I asked why. You told that this is blank because transaction was initiated, but still we have not received the confirmation that it is completed or not, right? I think you all have faced this. Many times you are transferring money through Paytm, PhonePe, Google Pay, or whatever app, and many times it is still in processing, right? Because of network issue or at the bank and there is some huge traffic, right? So you will keep that as a blank. Okay, you are a bit confused the transaction has completed or not, but you are sure that you have initiated the transaction, right? In the case of 4 transaction ID, I kept it in null. I asked the manager that why it is null. He told that actually I'm not sure whether transaction happened or not, transaction was initiated or not, or transaction failed, or transaction was successful. I have not received any message. All right. So in that case, we will keep as a null because here we are not sure exactly what happened, whether the transaction was initiated, whether the transaction was initiated, it is declined, with the transaction initiated and completed, but we have not received the notification, or maybe the customer has just taken the quotation, but he has not initiated the he's not initiated the payment process, right? So when you have a lot of confusion, you don't have a clear picture that exactly what has happened, we keep it as a null. Okay. But in blank, you are sure the transaction was initiated, but here it is not confirmed that it is rollback or committed. So for that, you are waiting for some time, 1 minute, 2 minutes, 3 minutes, or 5 minutes, and then you will update it, right? So is this clear? What is zero, blank, and null? Any
Yes.
question? Okay, so that is why null is considered as a bucket of what? Assumptions. So whenever I'm telling null, it means I'm talking, it is having, whenever you have a lot of assumptions, whenever you're not sure exactly what happened, no idea, no clue, we keep it as a null. Okay, and for 3, blank means you are waiting. You know the transaction was initiated. You are waiting for some time and then you will update it. Any question?
Oh, Tanvir, can we keep transaction ID as a null?
Transaction ID, you can keep that as a null. Yeah, that is also possible. You can keep that as a null. Okay, your any column can be null except primary key. What is primary key? I will discuss after some time. I'm just telling you what is null. Okay, I'm not telling that which column can be null, which column cannot be null. I'm not going into that discussion. Just I'm telling you what is null.
Okay.
Hope it is clear.
Actually, I have one question in
Mhm.
assignment. So there is
Yeah,
one,
tell me.
yeah. So we have to create a college table. Okay.
Sorry, Abdul Rahman. Sorry, very sorry. Let me complete this first of all.
Okay,
Okay,
sure.
zero blank and null, and then you remind me. I will jump to that question. Okay.
Okay, yes.
So zero, blank, and null. Is this clear, guys?
Tanvi, just I want to confirm once. So
Yeah.
now, let's say the transaction happened, but it's not yet completed. So that we are confirming that as a blank, right?
Transaction happened. You see, you mentioned that transaction happened. One point is damn sure that
Yeah.
transaction has happened. Okay. One parameter is constant. So it means that will be blank.
Yeah.
Suppose when you are attending my class, you are making a fee transfer of 2000 rupees, right? Many times it happens, you transfer the amount, okay, and you have sent a screenshot that Tanvir has just failed or it is in pending status and all those things. So till the moment I didn't get that exact confirmation that, okay, it is successful or not, I don't add the participant in the target group. So for that case, I will keep it as a blank because I'm waiting that, okay, once the transaction will be over, I will add it. But I know that you have initiated the transaction because you have shared the screenshot. Is that clear?
Yeah.
So that will be considered as a blank because I know the transaction has been initiated by the participant, but maybe because of network issue, because of huge traffic, it is in way, and after some time it will be confirmed, right? But null means suppose someone has inquired for my course. He called me that, Tanvir, what is the course duration, fees, structure, and all those things. Okay. After that, he didn't came back. Came back means he has not initiated the transaction. He has not told anything. So in that case, I will keep it as null because I'm totally blind here. Okay, I don't know what exactly happened, whether he want to proceed or not, whether he has initiated the transaction or not. Okay, so in that case, we will keep it as a null. Hope it is clear.
Yeah.
So that is why I have written here null is nothing but a bucket of assumption because you don't know exactly what happened there. Blank, you know, transaction was initiated. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, blank, you know, the transaction was initiated. Blank, you know, the transaction was initiated, but you are waiting for the confirmation. Hope it is clear. Any question? Yes, no, clear or not yet? This null is very important. This should be clear because in each and every keyword we will see null. No, okay. Okay, then tell me one thing. You should ask a question that, okay, Tanvir, in null, if you're not sure what exactly happened, okay, you don't have any idea whether the transaction initiated or not, or what happened, then why you're keeping this record at all? Remove this record, delete it. Why you're keeping it, right? This can be a valid question. Then why do you think so I'm keeping this record? What is the reason? Any idea?
We may get the output later. I mean,
Good. Because maybe the transaction would have happened here, right? Maybe the transaction would have happened. And maybe this transaction amount can be 1 million. That is also possible, right? Because you don't have any clue what has happened. Now, if I will delete this record, it means there is no there is no such transaction happened at all, right? So that is why in case of null, when we are not sure, we keep it as a null because it gives an information that something has happened here. Okay, maybe the transaction has happened, or maybe it has not happened. If you will remove it, and at a later point of time, you came to know that this transaction amount was 1 million, it means you are missing a huge value in the transaction amount, and this will impact your report. So that is why we used to keep the null. We should not ignore the null. Okay. Many times in the project, you will hear that, okay, remove the nulls. But that has to be clearly discussed with the business stakeholder. If they will tell you that, okay, we are not interested in null, then you can remove it. Okay. But again, if there is null, you should have a strong reason. Your business users will ask that why this is null. You will tell that we have not received the transaction. Then they will ask you, have you checked with the source team why they have not sent? So you should have a strong justification for null, because I'm repeating, null is something which you are not sure. This can be 0, this can be 100, this can be 1 million, anything. We are not sure about that. Hope it is clear.
Yeah.
Okay, fine. Guys, you should ask question if it is not clear. This is very important. If you're not asking question, if you're feeling shy of asking question, you'll be in loss at the end of the day. Okay, so feel free to ask questions. Okay, so now, again, I will jump to this order, but I will tell you that why suddenly I moved to null. I will tell you that part. Suppose I am inserting a duplicate record here in this employee table. Do we have duplicate here? ID4 is duplicate, right? You all agree? So in case of duplicate, if I'm running this query again, so what's the behavior?
I didn't get it. One more time.
It is same, right thing? Nothing exception. It is sorted in ascending order. You have 4 duplicate, it is sorting in ascending order. It has not skipped it. Okay, so order by, if you have duplicate, it will sort the duplicate values as well. Any question, guys? No. Okay. Next is I'm inserting a null. To insert null, this is the format, just write null. Okay, now if I will sort, what do you think? Null will be sorted or not? Or it will ignore?
Sorted.
Null will be sorted. Okay, let's check the output. Null is sorted, but it is at the bottom. So don't think it will ignore the null. It will sort null as well, but in ascending order, this will be in the bottom. If I will make this a descending order, then where null will go?
Top.
Top. Good. Null is at the top. So net, what I want to tell you is your order by can sort your duplicate data. Order by can sort your null as well. Don't think that order by will ignore null. Hope it is clear.
Yeah.
Yes, no.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes, good. Okay, good. Then, okay, sorry. Someone was asking question from assignment. Please tell me what was the question.
Yeah, that is the same question. Can you please go on to the Oracle? So where you pass the null as a ID, so it is showing as a dash in the output window. Yeah, so that the same question I have. Why it's not null and why it's dash?
Okay, so again, I will tell you, ignore this. You are correct. This should show null here. Okay, but if you will practice on MySQL or SQL Server or the license version of Oracle, no, it will show null here. Maybe tomorrow I will show you on that SQL Server that is installed on my laptop. So tomorrow I will connect to that and I will show you there. It will show you as a null. You are correct. But here it shows as a dash. So don't worry about that. This is null only here for this platform.
Oh, yeah, that is the only question. Yeah. Fine.
If I will show you here, you see this is MySQL. Okay, here you show it is displaying null here.
Yes.
Right?
Yes.
So it will be displayed as that one.
Okay.
Okay. Fine. Then what I was telling. Okay, fine. So now suppose I have name. Name varchar 50. Okay, so here the previous example which I have shown you how to sort. So there I have sort only the numbers, right? Integers. Now the question is, Tanvir, can it sort that alphabets? I want to sort this. Is that possible? So yes, it can sort this as well. Same thing, select a star from employee 1, order by name. Okay. Is it sorted in ascending order? Okay. So what we understood from this, the order by can sort your numbers or your alphabets, both. If you want to sort in descending order, let me sort this. Sort it in descending order.
Yeah.
Okay, clear? Similarly, if you have duplicate, suppose I'm inserting B duplicate. Okay. So what if I will sort this B? It is sorted. Okay. Any question? So what we learned so far, order by can sort your number, order by can sort your alphabets, order by can sort in ascending order, order by can sort in descending order. Everything is possible. Got it? No questions? Okay. If you don't have a question, I have question now. Is this Akshay is not there? Akash is there. Akash is also not there. Very good. Perfect. Create table. Employee 2. First name. Where can 50. Insert 2 employee 2 values. Now listen to this carefully, okay? Raj Kumar. On. Okay, let's check this simple example. Now listen to this very carefully. So this is the data. Let me show you data first of all. This is Akshay Rajkumar. I'm not inserted. So this is the data. Okay. Now here I want to sort the data based on the first name. So is this sorted based on the first name? No.
No.
So for that, what I will do, order by F name, right? Now, if I will run this query, this will be sorted in ascending order or descending order?
Ascending order.
Ascending order. So tell me which will come first, Rajkumar, Akshay, or Abdul? Which one?
Abdul.
Abdul will come.
Abdul will come first. You guys are telling. Then
Akshay.
Akshay will come.
Then Raj.
Then Rajkumar. Third. Okay. Now let's check it. I'm running it. Abdul Khan, Akshay Kumar, Rajkumar, right? Okay. But I have a question here. Abdul and Akshay, they both are starting with A, right? In Abdul we have A, in Akshay we have A. Then why Abdul is displayed at the top and then Akshay?
Because Abdul has B, so that comes first, and Akshay has K, that comes after B.
Good. That is the reason. You see, so when it will check the first character, if the first character is same, then it will check the next character. In the next character, it is B, it is K. So which comes first, B or K? B, right? So that is why we are displaying Abdul Khan and then Akshay Kumar and then Raj Kumar. Any question?
No.
Is it clear?
Suppose I have
in select first name, order by first name, order by
No, you can do that.
two.
First name and then order by
Yes.
first name you're telling.
No, order by two. It is possible.
Order by 2.
Yeah.
Okay. I will come to this. Give me some time. I will come to that order by 1, 2. What you're telling, I'll come to that. Okay.
Yeah. Okay. Thank you.
Okay. So is this clear? The simple one?
Yeah.
Any question, any doubt? No question. So what we understood from this, so when the first character is same, the engine will check for the second character. Okay. Fine. Now, next example.
Can we do it by last name? Because there are
Yes, sir.
two
Yes, sir.
duplicates.
You can do by last name as well.
But in that case,
Last
we'll have-
name.
because yeah.
This is what you are telling.
One second. Yeah.
Yes. You can do by last name as well.
But in this case, if you look at the first name, there are one has Akshay and another one has Raj, right? But how do you know that?
So
What is
let
the
me
top
keep it
first?
first name as well.
Yeah.
I'll verify this.
Yeah. Why is it so? Why the Raj is coming first? Is it because we have inserted first on that particular?
No,
Because-
no. It is because now you are telling to sort based on the last name ascending, right? So for the last name ascending, the first character of all are same. K, 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 right?
Yeah, that I understood. Okay.
So after K, we have to check the second character. Here, second character is H. Here it
Understood.
is U. Here it is U. So H will come first, then U and U. So then that's why this H is coming first, and that's why Khan is at the top. And then in Kumar and Kumar, this is exactly same. So when the data is exactly same, so that is
Yeah.
the wish of SQL engine. It can keep anything one. I know you're asking here that why Raj Kumar is at
Yes.
the second position than Akshay Kumar, because
Yeah.
here that this is last name is exactly same. But this is up to the wish of SQL engine. It can keep anything first and the second. I don't have any logic for that. Actually,
does it
that
go by
works.
the insert time?
Sorry.
Does it go by insert time in that case? When
Yeah. Actually, there is a concept of row ID. So when I will come to that, then I will discuss how it works. So for the time being, assume it is like it is totally when you have conflict, it is totally the wish of SQL engine. It will insert by that way. We don't have any logic for it.
Okay.
Then I will tell you next that how to control it, how to customize it, right? Okay, we will come to that then after that.
Okay.
Any questions so far? Clear? Fine. Now Raj Khanna. Now I have a record Raj Singh. Okay. And suppose I want to sort based on the first. Listen very carefully. Okay. No, leave it. First of all, let me ask you guys what you think. What should be the output? I will show this output. That will be of that much interesting. This is the data. Student quite table. And this is the query. Okay, now you guys think and tell me if I will execute this query, first name, last name, order by first name. So this is ascending or descending?
It will be ascending only.
Ascending. So in this, which one will come first?
That Abdul will come first.
Abdul will come first, right? Because
Akshay.
okay, but why not Akshay? Akshay, we have A in
Because
Akshay.
we are enter the query for first name.
Enter the query for first name.
Yes.
No,
order
but
by-
first name
order
that
by
is
first
fine.
name.
Order by first name I got it, but my question is that in order by first name here we have Akshay as well. No, for Akshay as well we have A in the first. Abdul as well we have A in the first. So why you're telling Abdul Khan
That's
will
the
become
ascending
Second
rule.
alphabet.
That's the ascending rule. Yeah.
Yeah.
okay?
It looks for the second character.
This is what I was expecting.
Second
See,
alphabet.
in Abdul, first character is A, right? In Akshay as well. Is my screen visible properly?
Yes, yes.
Yes, yes.
Okay. In Akshay, again, this is first character is A, right? So we cannot decide based on this. Then we have to consider the next character. In Abdul, next character is B, right? So
Yeah.
when the first character is, you're unable to decide it, we have to jump to the next character. Here in Abdul, next character is B. Here in Akshay, next character is K. So in ascending order, which will come first, B or K?
B.
B. So that is why we will keep Abdul Khan at the top. Any questions so far?
No.
Got it? Okay. After Abdul Khan, which one?
Akshay.
Akshay Kumar. Okay. After Akshay Kumar, which one?
Raj. Ye sequel can take anyone, na, that Raj Singh or
Good.
Kumar.
Good. Here they both have first name as Raj, exactly same, right? So in this case, it is the wish of SQL engine. It can keep Raj Singh at the third or Raj Kumar at the third. Okay. It is up to the wish of SQL engine. Maybe it can keep this or it can reverse the order. Hope it is clear.
Yes.
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 Okay. But now there is a second use case. Okay. Suppose I have displayed this data to my manager. My manager told, okay, fine, Tanvir Abdul Khan, you're displaying top, then Akshay Kumar, and then Raj Kumar, Raj Singh. So my manager told that, Tanvir, why you are showing Raj Kumar at the third and then Raj Singh? Why not Raj Kumar at the last? I told that, sir, it is because first name, no, Raj, it is same in both the data. So it is up to the wish of SQL engine. It can pick anyone, right? So he told that, no, this is not good. This is not as per the logic. Do one thing. When you have the first name, there is a conflict in the first name, then make last name as a deciding factor. Is this clear? My manager is telling, if the first name there is a conflict, then make last name as a deciding factor. Now you tell me what he mean. Who will explain this?
Like we will also take consideration of last name in the ordering, sorting by like that. So
Good.
it will take, yes, accordingly Kumar and Singh, which will come first, it will display like that.
Good. So manager is telling that if the first name there is a conflict, do one thing. In that case, check the last name. So in the last name, first character is K here. Here, first character is S. So tell me which comes first, K or S?
K.
K. Okay. So that's why now I will keep Raj Kumar first and then Raj Singh, because here Raj, they both are same. So when they both are same, then I will jump to the last name column and I will check this first character of which one is will come first in the ascending order. So in this case, what you have to do now, see, I will run this query. Verify the output. Abdul Khan first, then Akshay Kumar. Here Raj Singh and Raj Kumar. That is what I told you. It is totally wish of SQL engine. It can take anyone. But now my manager is telling that, Tanvir, when you have a conflict in the first name, then check the last name, right? So for that, what I will do, I will give a comma and I will write here last name. Okay, so now the meaning of this query is I'm telling to SQL engine that SQL first of all sort based on the first name. If there is a conflict, then make last name as a deciding factor. Is this clear?
Yes.
Okay. So now if I will run this query, tell me what will be the output.
Raj
Same
Kumar
output
will
as
come
well.
before
Third one
Raj
will
Singh.
be
Kumar
Raj
will
Singh
come
will
first.
go in the last.
Abdul Khan, Akshay Kumar, and then
Raj Kumar.
Raj Kumar.
Raj Singh, right? Okay, verify the output. Is this clear?
Yes.
Okay. So what we learned from this, in order by, we can give preference that, okay, or priority, that first of all sort based on first name. If first name you have same value, if there is a conflict, then bring this last name and decide based on this. Hope it is clear.
Yes. Sir,
So
I have
Tanvir,
one question.
Yeah.
That if can we sort in this manner also, Like if the first name is same, but we want to descending order in the last name.
That I will come to that next. Next, I will come to that.
Okay.
Any
Yeah.
other question?
Yes, I just want to ask, like, as you told, like, first priority, it will take first name. So whenever there will be conflict, like as per our example, so so at any column or at any row, sorry, when there will be conflict, then only the SQL engine will take to the L name, right?
Yes, sir. Yes, yes, yes. Exactly same. Like first of all, the case will be heard in High Court, right? And then you can go to Supreme Court, right? It is like that only. First of all, the preference will be given to first name. If first name is unable to judge because of the same data, because of conflict, then this last name will come into picture. Okay.
Yes. Thank you.
Or let 1 minute, 1 minute, 1 minute. Let me give one example to make it more clear. 1 minute, guys. I've inserted this data Zaid Alam. Okay. Now for this check that it. See, if it is considering last name, then this Alam should be at the top, no? Got it?
Yes, it's got.
So first of all, it is considering first name. It will sort based on the first name. That is why Zaid is at the last. Here Rajkumar, there is a conflict. Then it has taken. Then when in the case of only in the case of conflict, this special guest last name will come into picture. This is like a special guest. Like in KBC, you have that 4 options that a special guest will come into picture whenever you want that, right? It is like that only. But when there is a conflict, when you are confused here, when the engine is confused here, then it will bring this like a lifeline, and he will decide which one to keep first. Hope it is clear.
Yeah.
Yes.
Okay. Now the question is that okay, fine, then we got it that first of all, if it is sort based on the first name, it is sorting based on the first name. Here there was a conflict. So you told that if case of conflict, SQL is giving a privilege to us that we can bring a next column, and this can be deciding factor. We understood it, right? But my concern is that in case of conflict, the last name should be sorted in descending order. Suppose this is a use case, right? You never know what kind of use case you have to handle in project, right? I will repeat my question. The question is that Tanvir, okay, this is the data, but my concern is whenever there is a conflict, like see here, there's a conflict. So in case of conflict, do one thing, sort last name based on descending order. It means you want to display Raj Singh and then Rajkumar as for the descending order. Is that clear? This is the requirement. In case of conflict, sort last name based on the descending order. First of all, is the question clear?
Yes. Good.
Okay. So for that, what you have to do is you write here after last name DESC. So engine will understand that, oh, after first name, nothing is mentioned. It means first name user wants to sort in ascending order, right? And if there is a conflict in first name, then user wants to sort last name in descending order. Okay. So now let me run this query. Now you check the output. First name is sorted in ascending order or not? First of all, confirm this.
Yes.
Okay. Here Raj, there is a conflict. Then last name is in descending order or not?
Yeah.
Yes.
Okay. Now it's clear. Order by. Any question now? Yeah, please ask question. No question. It's clear everything.
Yeah, I have one question. Like, what if there is no values for last name?
Oh, values. So you mean null?
Yeah, something like
Oh,
that.
okay, okay. Good use case. Good use case. Let me check. Let me give you one data here. Suppose I had here. Suppose I have data here, Karthik. Okay, and you mean that last name, you want to keep last name null, right?
Yes.
Okay, and first name same, Karthik, right? That's what you're telling, same first name and last name null?
Yes, we can do that. But I was just wanted to see like how it will display or something like that.
No, you mean this data?
Yes, yes, yes. Within
Okay,
this.
so
Yeah.
let me, so here no confusion actually. Okay, let me run this. Or let's do one thing. Before I run this, let's analyze it on our own. Then we'll see what is output. So this is the data. Let me keep it here. Okay. This is the query. You want me to run the same query? You want to do some modification in the query as well?
No, no. Last name we need to do sorting with descending order.
Descending. Same query you want, right?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
First of all, it will be sorted based on the first name. First of all, this will be executed. Okay. So let's do based on that. First name ascending. So which one will come first? Abdul Khan. Okay. Let me keep here Abdul Khan at the top. Let me cut it. After Abdul Khan, A, Akshay Kumar, right? You all agree? Okay. Then then K will come, no?
Yes.
Yes. Yes.
K will come, right? Okay. So now Karthik null, Karthik null. Which one should I take first? This one or this one?
Anyone.
Anyone. Because the last name are exactly same. It is null, right? That doesn't make sense if I take this one or this one. Got it? So this will be like this. Okay. And after Karthik, Raj. Now in the case of Raj, there is a conflict. Then I will check whether user has mentioned any other condition. Yes, user has mentioned that if there is a conflict in the first name, go with the last name, and that should sort it in descending order, right? So last name descending. So descending means Singh will come first and then Kumar. Then at the last, Zayed Alam. Is it clear?
Yes.
Okay, let me run this. Now you verify the output. You got the same output? Can verify it. Okay. Shari, I hope it is clear to you.
Yes, sir. Suppose,
Okay.
okay, like there were two Kartiks which you inputted in the query. So if we have like Kartik and like the same name, but there will be a last name in one of them and one will be blank, something like that. So how will be the
Oh, okay,
output?
okay. Got it. You mean this one?
Yeah, one of them would be like having last name.
Take your example. Suppose this is Sharia. Okay. And this is you mean you want to keep something here, right?
Yes.
I'm taking some random number here, okay.
Yeah, sure.
And here you want to keep this null, right? This is what we're telling?
Here we have like Sharia and null. Yes, yes. Like
This is what we're telling?
Yes.
Okay. Okay, good use case. Let's check for this as well. Okay, fine. So now this is your data. And you want me to run the same query, this one, correct?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So first of all, first name. So based on the first name, again, your Abdul Khan will come first, right? And then 1 minute. Click this. After Abdul Khan, Akshay Kumar. After Akshay Kumar, Karthik will come into picture. Then after Karthik, K, A, B, C, D, J, Q, R,
R, S,
R will come, no?
Yes.
R, Raj Singh, Raj Kumar. Okay, I'll keep this. Then, okay, now in this case, there is a conflict in Sharia, right? There's a conflict. So we are telling descending. In descending, null will come at the top or this alphabet will come at the top?
Alphabet.
Null.
Null.
Null will be at the top.
Null. If you remember, I have mentioned here this example. I have inserted null here, right? And I've shown you for this. If I'm writing here, select a star from employee 1, order by ID, descending. So I've shown you this. Null will be at the top. What happened?
Sir, employee.
Got it. Thank you. So null is at the top in descending. Okay. You might be thinking why null is at the top. I will discuss all these things down the line. Okay. So here, which one will be at the top? Last name descending. So this one will be at the top.
Okay.
Okay. And
Yes.
then this value you will get. Okay.
Understood.
And then at the last, Zaid Alam. Fine.
Yes.
Let's verify this output here. Data. Okay. Please verify this.
Yes. Got it.
Okay. Now hope it is clear to everyone.
Yes.
You can have a question that Tanveer, okay, here you have 2 columns, but in my case I have 3 columns: first name, middle name, last name. And what if the first name and middle name, they both are exactly same? Then what to do? Then no problem. Then do one thing. You write your query, write here middle name, and then write last name. So you can give n number of columns in order by, not an issue. Okay, I've just explained for the 2 columns, but you can add n number of columns. That's not a problem. Is that clear?
Yeah.
Any other question?
Does it go by the column names that you are given it based on, let's say, for example, first name, last name, and then we have another column name as well, right?
No,
So
sir.
if
No,
the
sir.
first name
No, sir.
itself is having the null values, and does it still go by the next column, or it will just look for the null values from the first column itself?
Can you repeat your question, miss?
Let's say in the first name itself, we have a null values, and
One
this
minute,
last name.
one minute. Let me add that.
Yeah.
Let me add it. First name, you want a null value. Okay, I have null in first name. Last name, what you want?
You can keep it anything.
Anything. Okay. So I'm keeping it like A, ABCD, something like that. Okay.
Yeah.
Then.
Yeah, so I want to just check this. So in this case,
Okay.
do we get the null as a priority, or does it go by the next column?
Okay. Good. First of all, let me write this query. Okay, good use case. So you want me to run the same query?
Yeah.
Okay, so here again, first of all, you will decide on first name. First name, it is an ascending, right? First name is an ascending. So in ascending order, where null will be displayed, at the top or at the bottom?
At the bottom.
Bottom.
At the bottom. Now, do you have any other first name null here? No. There is any confusion with null? No. Any conflict with null? No. So this null will be displayed at the very top, very bottom. Let's check the output. Oh, where is null? 1 minute. I have not inserted this. I'm not inserted. See, it is at the bottom.
Okay.
Is that you mean?
Yeah.
Okay,
That's what I
fine.
mean. So it doesn't
Any
look
other?
for it doesn't look for the second last name, right? So the priority is given to the first column.
Why to look for the last name? Here you have only one null. It's crystal clear. This will be at the last. If you have this, if you have one more record with first name as a null, okay, then what will happen? Then it will suppose this is the data. In this case, first name you have 2 nulls. So now which in this case, then the last name will come into picture. Last name you have mentioned descending. That is why D will come first and then A.
Understood.
Any other question? No questions. Okay.
Can
good.
we write a query in this way, like sorry, first name is descending and last name is ascending?
Yes, sir, you can do that. See, first name descending, last name descending. Check the data.
Ascending.
Last name ascending you want. Okay, let me run for this as well. Then I will run for the ascending. Check, it is first name descending. All the null are at the top. Okay, then everything is in descending order. Okay. And if you want to keep last name ascending, you can keep that as well. Check all the combinations, whatever you want, it will work. Is that clear?
Yes.
Tanvir, what if first name and last name both are null?
First name, last name, both are null. Oh, good use case. This I will not tell anything. You guys think and tell me. Then I will execute the query. First name, last name, both are null. And what is the query you want? First name ascending, descending, what you want?
No, first name is descending and last name.
First name descending.
Last name descending. First name is ascending. The previous
Last
one.
name descending. First name you want ascending. This is the query you want, right?
Yeah. Yes.
Oh, okay, good. First name you want in ascending order. So first of all this null will be at the bottom.
Yes.
Right?
Yes.
Okay, all will be at the bottom. And there's a conflict with this null.
Yes.
Yes.
Yes. Then what you will do? Then engine will go to the last name and it will sort last name in descending order. Then descending order, ABCD will come first, or DCS will come first, or null will come first.
Null.
Null
Which
will
one?
come first.
Null.
Okay, you guys have told the answer. Let me run it. Please verify.
Yes.
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah.
So that's why once you understand the concept, then you try anything or try all the permutation combination, and you should try it. Okay. You should try it.
Tanvir,
Hmm.
if we put both the null in the inverted commas, then it will be considered
That
as
will
a
become
character.
data.
Right,
That will
data.
become data.
Okay,
That will
thank
become data. That will become data. Okay. So next, I want to tell you one thing. Where is that? Where is that? I have that or not? I don't have that. I think I have this. No, this is going to be something different, and I hope this should not confuse you. Let's try to understand. Okay, now I'm trying to get a new table, practice table. Okay, and in this table I have this data. Select a star from. Yes. The data is in front of you. I have 109 lowercase a, lowercase z, uppercase a, uppercase z. In all the previous example, if you notice what I have done here, I have taken all numbers, correct? Here I've taken all alphabet, right? Here I've taken all alphabet, right? Here what I'm trying to do is, tell me what I'm trying to do here.
Alphabet and number.
Number and letter.
I have taken integers or numbers. I have taken lowercase. I have taken uppercase, all thing. Now I want to sort it now. Now what should be the output? Let's check it. Order by enter is the column. Okay, 0, 1, 9, then uppercase A, then uppercase Z, then lowercase a, then lowercase z. Is this clear?
So why it is like
Does it consider
alpha-
ASCII value of the characters?
Yeah, I will come to that. Yeah. So first of all, 0, 1, 9, then Y uppercase A, then Y lowercase a. In ascending order here I have written, then why lowercase a is not coming at the top, right? You all have these questions, right? Or maybe why 0 first? Why not uppercase first, right? Okay. We will see the reason for this. Actually, what happened internally when you are asking SQL engine to sort something? Okay. So SQL calculates the ASCII value. What is ASCII value? ASCII stands for American Standard Code for Information Interchange. That is something like it governs all the rules and regulations, the codings, the formats, and all those things. We'll not go in there in all those details. ASCII is something for each and every letter, each and every integer, character, special characters. You have a code. That code is ASCII. Like suppose if I'm writing select ASCII of 0, from dual. You might be thinking, what is this dual? Ignore it for the time being. Don't think what is that. So code word of 0 is how much? 48. Okay. Similarly, if you want to find a code word of 1 or ASCII value of 1, it is how much? 1 minute. Okay. 49. Okay. And then 9. 57. Is that clear? Then lowercase a. What is the value? 97. Then lowercase z. $122. Uppercase a. What is the value? 65. Uppercase z. 90. Okay. So here I told SQL engine to sort this 109 AZ and all these things, right? So first of all, what engine does? Now I'm telling you internally what happens. Here I have not told all these things, that internally what happens, right? So when you're asking SQL to sort order by ascending or descending anything, so first of all, it will check the column on which you want to sort. Here I want to sort an inter column, right? Here in this practice table, I have only one column. But many times it happens that in the project you have 10 columns and you want to sort on a particular column. So the engine will go to that in that column. It will check the data of that column and quickly it will convert all the data in the ASCII. So now it will not see 019 AZ. No, it will check this values. It will play with these values. Is that clear? So when you are telling him to sort order by inter, it is ascending or descending? Ascending. Now out of this values 48, 49, 57 and all this, which one will come first? 48. Correct? Then 49, then 57, then 65, then 90, then 97, then 122, right? Now 48 is the value of which data? 0. Okay. 49, 1. Okay. 57, 9. 65, capital A. 90, capital Z. 97, lowercase a. 122, lowercase z. That is why now see I'm run this query again. Now verify the output. 019, 019, uppercase a, uppercase z, uppercase a, uppercase z, lowercase a, lowercase z, lowercase a, lowercase z. Output is clear now?
Yes.
Okay.
Tanvir, what exactly we are doing here? I didn't get what exactly we are doing.
No, I didn't get you. What exactly what we're doing?
What exactly we are doing here means I didn't get what we are practicing.
Okay. I was telling that I executed this query and the output was the 019 AZ. I explained that why this 0 is coming first and then uppercase and then lowercase. Then here I explained that it is working on the ASCII. So first of all, it will find the ASCII value of each and every character. So ASCII value of 0 is 48, for 1 is 49, and similarly ASCII value of all these things is this. So when you are asking SQL engine to sort data based on a column, it doesn't sort on this data. For us, it seems that it is sorting on this data, but no, actually it doesn't sort based on this. It sorts based on the ASCII value. Okay, and that is what I was telling. Here it will be sort based on the ASCII value. As for ASCII, 48, 49, 47, this format will follow. And 48 is for 0, 49 is for 1, 57 is for 9. And that is why when I executed this, you got this particular format. Is that clear, Lalit?
Yes.
Hope it is clear to everyone. Yes,
Chetan,
no.
Yes,
Yeah,
you
tell me.
said you said the ASCII value, right? I mean, is it something which we enter it in the columns, or because here you have defined it separately?
Yeah. See, you are entering this data 109 AZ, right? We have entered this data. Okay.
Yeah.
So I am telling SQL doesn't sorts based on this actually. For us, it appears like till now I told for all these things that how this is sorted. So we know that S will come after K or Z will come after all this. We know that, right? But actually SQL doesn't know that. So for that, we have given a code word. Okay, or coding we have done for each and every letter integer, and that coding is your ASCII. That what is the zero ASCII value for, and this is fixed. This is fixed. This doesn't change. This is fixed. So when you are asking SQL to sort something, it will sort based on the ASCII. So first of all, it will calculate the ASCII of this, and then it actually sorts ASCII. Okay, it sorts this, and then corresponding value it shows this. It shows to you. Is that clear or not?
Yeah, but the ASCII value, is it something which is already
Defined.
fixed for it? Defined. Okay.
Yeah. It's
Okay.
always, even if you will run this on your machine, you will get 48 only for 0. If you will run for A, you will get 65. It is fixed.
Okay, those numbers are registered in your mind, right? So that's the reason
Yeah.
I'm just thinking why. Yeah, got it.
No,
Thank you.
that is fixed. And that's what I shown you, that how to find ASCII of A. So right, select ASCII of A from the, suppose if you want to find ASCII of B, so you write B from dual, and the ASCII value will be 66. So this it is 66. Actually, this is a continuation. Capital A is 65, capital B is 66. If I will show for capital C, it will be 67, then 68, 69, like that.
Yeah, got you. Thank you.
Can we get a ASCII value of name also, like?
Yes, you can get for that as well. I will show you for that. But is this clear before that, everyone?
In which scenario we can use this ASCII defined value?
Many scenarios are there. I will show you all the scenarios. But here, why I pitched in this ASCII is I have shown this example, right? I have executed this query, and this was the output. So you all were thinking that why uppercase A first, right? Okay, suppose now if I will ask you why uppercase A is displayed before lowercase a. Why? Can you tell me the reason?
Because uppercase has less ASCII value compared to lowercase, so it is sorting in ascending order.
Correct. Because uppercase A ASCII value is 65, lowercase a ASCII value is 97. 65 comes before 97. That is why uppercase A is displayed here first and then lowercase a. Any other question?
The ASCII values of letters A, B, C, D, E, F, G, and a capital and small letters, the number values are already predefined in the engine, right?
Sorry, your voice is not clear, Srinivas. Can you repeat?
This letters of the numbers are right. It is there, right? For small letters, it is showing 97A, and for capital A, it is showing 65. These numbers are already included in this engine, right?
That is what I told. It is fixed.
Okay.
The values are
Got it.
fixed. You see, if I will execute this again, let me execute this again. Or if anyone who is online, you run this, anyone, you try it, you will get the same value. It is fixed. Okay.
Yes.
If it is clear, tell me one thing now. Okay, is it clear, everyone?
Clear.
Clear. Okay. Now, if it is clear, tell me one thing. Here I am inserting a value. I'm inserting a value. I'm keeping it here as now here I've inserted a data Anup Kumar, right? Now tell me why it is almost at the last. It should be at the after Abdul, no? After Abdul, Akshay it should be there. But why it is just at the last?
ASCII rule.
Is it clear? Because lowercase a has the highest ASCII value than all these first letters. That is why it is coming after all this. Is that clear?
Yes.
Yes, it's clear.
Okay.
Tanvir, what the same record with Anup Kumar? A is capital.
A is capital.
Yes.
If A is capital, then here Abdul Akshay Anup, then you will check the second character. First B will be there, and then K, and then N. If A is capital, then that is simple one only. You are telling
Shiny
this
palm.
one. You are telling this one, right?
Yes.
Yeah.
Along with
Declare.
this small
One minute,
letter.
one minute. Okay, I mute everyone. Now you please ask what you're telling.
The same Anup Kumar name I want in capital, so that is what you have written. So just insert that record.
Okay. This one you're telling?
Yes.
Okay, done. Which query you want me to execute?
Yes,
This
same
one?
one.
Same query. Okay, before I execute this, what do you think, guys? What will happen in this case?
Anup Kumar is go on top and a small letter means alphabet will go down.
Yeah, ignore this on lowercase Anup. This will be at the last only. What about this Anup Kumar A, Akshay, Abdul? They all are with A. Then what will happen?
It will be after Akshay.
It will be after Akshay, right?
Come in a third order.
Let me run this. After Akshay, you have Anup.
Yes.
Is it clear?
Yes.
Okay, fine. I hope it is clear now.
I
Any
have
other
one more question.
Yeah.
Like, can we write in this manner? Can you go up on that Raj Kumar and Raj Singh? So the first letter is capital, and the second letter is also capital, and third letter is small.
Oh, 1 minute. Tell me, first name, what you want here?
Raj Kumar.
First letter capital.
Yes.
Then second?
Small.
Small. Then
Yes.
third?
Small.
Small. Then?
Same, and enter second more line. Raj Kumar. Then R is capital. A is capital. Yes.
R is capital. A is capital.
And J small.
J is small.
Yes, and K U capital. Then yes, and capital K.
Capital K. Okay. Then this is what you're telling?
Yes, sir.
Okay. A row is inserted. I will not execute this. You guys tell me this. This is simple only. This is the data. And we want which query? You want this query, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay. So first name ascending. So in ascending, which will come at the top? Abdul Khan, right? You all agree? This will be at the top. After Abdul Khan, Akshay Kumar, right? After Akshay Kumar, Anup Kumar. So far clear? And then which one? K or R? Which one will come, guys?
Okay.
A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K. K. Karthik will come. This is also done. 1 minute, 1 minute. Give me 1 minute. Someone is knocking at the door. 1 minute. Okay, so Karthik after K, which one? J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, right? So now we have Raj Singh, Rajkumar, Rajkumar, Rajkumar. Okay, so here R, they all have R. So we will check the next letter. So here next letter is uppercase A. Here the next letter is lowercase A. Which one will come first?
Uppercase.
Uppercase, simple. Uppercase has lower ASCII value that will come at the top. Got it? And then this Raj, they all have same. Then we will check the next one. Here Singh will come first. Descending. Oh, this is descending, no? So then this Raj Kumar will come first. Got it? Clear? Hello.
Yeah.
Is that clear? So Firoz, you can try that. You can do many combinations for that. Let me show you for this. So see here, Raj. First of all, this Raj is there. And for this Raj, first of all, your lowercase k. Okay.
Okay.
Fine then, guys. I hope you have understood this. Meanwhile, any other question, anyone? Any other question? No. Okay. You can have many combinations. You can try that. Do some research. Okay. Now I will give you one more example. So suppose here I have a country table. Okay. What happened? Crop table, country. Oh, good. Perfect. Okay, so this is the country table and these are the name of the country. Okay. Now this is going to be a little bit complicated. So listen to this very carefully. Here, okay, many times it happens now you're filling a form, okay, online form. They will ask for nationality. Okay, and in the nationality drill down, you will start searching for India. You will scroll it down, right? And then you will select where is India and you will press enter, right? Many times you will see automatically India will be at the top, right? And all other countries will be in ascending order. I don't know how many of you have observed that, but it happens. Okay. Here my manager told that sort this data in such a way so that India should be at the top. Okay. I told, okay, fine. This is very simple. I have written this query order by name ascending. Okay. So do you think India is at the top? No. Then I thought ascending is not working. Let's do this descending. Do you think India is at the top?
No.
No. So now what to do? I tried ascending. It's not working. I tried descending, even if it is not working. But my manager is telling I want India to be at the top and then all other countries. So for this, what we have, first of all, problem statement is clear to everyone.
Yes.
Okay. So for this, what I will do, I will use case. If it is case, I will tell you all these things. Case when name equals India, then one. Now I'm running this query and just check whether India is at the top now. India is at the top.
Yes.
Got it? Okay. But is the remaining countries in ascending order?
No.
No. So now what I will do, I will write here name ascending. Now verify that. Now check the output.
Yes.
You got the output what my manager was expecting. India is at the top. Remaining countries are in ascending order. Is it clear? Okay.
Yes.
Now I will explain you how this query is working. Now listen to this very carefully. So this is the data and this is your country table. This is a little bit complicated. I'm repeating again. So listen to this very carefully. Okay. So this is the query. Okay. First of all, which keyword will be executed? From. Engine will take a copy of it. It will keep it here. After from order by. The moment, 1 minute, this is done. The moment engine will see order by, he will understand that user wants me to sort the data. Okay. Now in order by, you have written case. What is case? It is very useful keyword. We'll see case in many places. Okay, many places. So I have written here case when name is equal to India, then one. First of all, let's try to understand this one. So case when name is equal to India, then one. The meaning of this is I am telling to SQL engine that SQL create a bucket and name it one. Create a bucket and name it one. Let me create a bucket. So this is the bucket. Okay, create a bucket and name it one. Name it one. Any questions so far? No?
No.
Now inside this bucket, what I'm telling engine to keep?
India.
India. So engine will keep India here. So far, any question?
Means that India then one. One means like top.
No. I'm not telling top. I'm telling bucket. I'm not telling anything about top, right? So don't go with the top. I can use zero as well here. Like I'll show that. I can write anything. One means not top. I'm not told top. I told bucket. So take it as a bucket only. Okay. So I'm telling create a bucket, name it one, and inside that keep India. Is that clear?
Yes.
Everyone so far is clear? It is complicated. That's why I'm taking time and going very slowly here. One means no top, no bottom, nothing. I will show 0 as well here. I will show 100, 1 lakh, something. It doesn't mean stop. It means create a bucket, name it to 1, keep it inside that India. Clear? Okay. After that, I have written end. End means close this bucket. Don't keep anything else inside this bucket. Bucket is closed. Okay. Now you have a bucket 1. Inside that you have India, all other countries. Do you have any bucket for all other countries?
No.
No. No, right? It is
Yes.
like you are traveling from Delhi to Mumbai. You're traveling in train. Your ticket is confirmed. You will get it, you will get a seat, right? So here India ticket is confirmed. He is in this bucket, so he will get a seat. For all the remaining countries, their seat is not confirmed. So we will keep this India here at the top, and then all other countries after this. After this. Is it clear so far? Any questions? Okay. So that's why India will be at the top, because you have reserved a bucket for him. Don't go with the name that it is 1, that's where it's top. No, I will show you for 0 as well. Why I kept India at the top? Because the seat has been reserved. That's why it will be at the top, and remaining will be after that. Is that clear?
Yes.
No. Okay. I think I should show for 0. See, I'm keeping 0 here. Just check, are you getting the same output or not? Just check that only. Same output, India is at the top, right?
Yes.
So here I'm repeating, don't think that I have kept 1, that's why India is at the top. No, it means we have reserved a bucket for India. That is why India is at the top. And all they don't have any reservation. They are in waiting list. So that's why all these things are after India. Clear?
Yes.
Okay.
Sir,
Yeah, Sushi.
that sorting is based on the ASCII value, no? That India then equal then 1. If we enter the 2,
India, then 2.
2 ends ascending them.
No, leave that. Ignore all those things. 2, 3. I will tell all those things. This you understood or not? I know many permutation combinations are there. I will explain all those things. This you understood or not?
Sir, I am asking that that India then 1. It is based on ASCII value, no? Due to that India come on first, because ASCII value is
Okay. I'm running this. Still, you will see India will be at the top. India is at the top. Ignore that. Ignore that for the timing. That's what I'm telling you. Don't go with ASCII here. I will tell you when ASCII will come into picture here.
okay, sir.
Okay. Ignore it for the timing. Because if I will jump to that, these things will get, you will get confused. Okay. That's why I'm going in very incremental fashion. So 1 means no ASCII, nothing. You forget about ASCII here. Okay, nothing. I'm just telling you bucket, right? 1 means bucket. India is in bucket number 1. It is at the top because for this we have a reservation. All other values, we don't have any reservation. This will be after India. Is that clear so far?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Yes.
Or let me do one thing. I know you guys are getting confused because of this. Ignore this. Ignore this.
The
Ignore
value
this.
is a bucket name, is it? That one.
Oh, ignore that. Let me tell you like this. Let me explain you this one. I should have started from this, but I thought to start from that. Ignore all these things. Okay, let's start fresh. This is your query. This is the table. This is the table. I will take a copy of this. I will keep it here. Okay. Order by. You have written order by. Then first of all, what you're telling, you have a bucket 1. Inside that bucket 1, what you have, where is the insert? Okay. Inside this bucket, what you have? Inside this bucket, what you have? India, right? And this is bucket number 1. Okay, then I'm telling to create one more bucket, else 2. What is the meaning of else 2? Else 2 means create one more bucket with the name 2. Okay. And in this bucket number 2, in this bucket number 2, keep all the remaining countries. Else means remaining countries, right? What are left out? Is this clear now?
Yes.
Any question? Till now, is it clear to everyone?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay. After that, I have written end. It means no more buckets. Clear?
Yes.
Okay. Now let's think of ASCII and all those things. As per ASCII, 1 will come first or 2 will come first?
1.
1. So which bucket will come first?
India.
India.
India bucket.
So this bucket I will keep at the first. Okay, this is the bucket number 1. Bucket number 1. And then you have bucket number 2. This values. This is your bucket number 2. Bucket 2. So now why India is at the top? Is that clear?
Yes.
Okay. Clear?
Yeah.
Okay. I know you have question. I know you all have question. Hold on for some time. After that, I have written name ascending, right? After that, I've written name ascending. Meaning of this is now I'm telling to SQL engine that SQL go inside each bucket, bucket number 1 and bucket number 2, and then sort the data internally. So in bucket number 1, you have only India, so no need to sort it. It will be at the top only. Now sorting will happen within each bucket. So now this data will be sorted. So here Afghanistan will come first, right? Then after Afghanistan, China, correct? And then like that, it will be sorted. Yeah,
बोलना है
Omkar?
सर शुभ प्रभात.
Omkar, do you have any?
No, sorry.
One, two. Okay. So far, is it clear? Any question? Any question, guys? Anyone? Yes, no? No. Okay. Suppose instead of 1, 2, I've written 2, 3. 2 and 3. Let's check this one. What about this? Where's the Excel sheet? Let's check this one. Same data you have. Now you guys tell me what to do. First of all, what's the bucket number?
So I think the result will say
Number 2.
Bucket number 2. Okay. Inside this bucket, what you have?
India.
India. Then do you have any other bucket?
3.
3. Inside this, what you have?
Remaining countries.
Remaining countries.
with descending order.
Descending order. Have I told descending order?
No.
Ascending order, I said ascending.
Oh, no, nothing I mentioned here. Nothing I mentioned here. Just I'm telling two buckets we have. Bucket number 2, we have India. Bucket number 3, I have all the remaining countries, right? Okay. And this is end. It means no more buckets. So far clear?
Yes.
Okay. After end, I have not mentioned anything ascending or descending. It is
Okay.
comma. So comma is different. So after end, nothing I have mentioned ascending, descending. So this will be sorted in ascending order. Okay. So which bucket will come first?
2.
2. In bucket number 2, you have India. India will be at the top. Then bucket number 3, this thing will be there. Is that clear? This is bucket number 2. This is bucket number 3. Any question so far? So far clear? Now, after the 1 minute, after this, we have written name ascending. Name ascending means within this bucket, please sort this. So within this bucket number 2, you have only India. So it doesn't means to solve to sort it. It will be like this only at the top. In bucket number 3, you will sort this value internally. And once you will sort this internally, your Afghanistan will be at the top. And then your China will be there. And then I think A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N. And then Pakistan will be there. P, R, S, T, U. R will be there. Sri Lanka will be there. And then United Kingdom. Now I am running this query. You verify the output. Same output. Is this clear? Got it? Now tell me, if I write here 100 and this says 200, then what will be the output?
Same.
Same output. In bucket number 100, you'll be having India. In bucket number 200, you'll be having all the other countries. 100 comes before 200. So India will be at the top. Got the output?
So we can say then we're like whatever the ASCII value or the number we are giving, it's just like ID type. Like first I want this India. Like if you compare like India then 1. So first ID is India. I want 1, right? If in case we want India at the bottom, so we could have done like India then 200 else 100, right? So India have come to bottom.
Good. Very good.
Okay. Yes.
That was actually my next question, but I appreciate you have mentioned here. So suppose I want to display India at the bottom, then what to do? I will mark it here 200 and this one as 100, right?
Yes.
Let me run this. Check. India is at the bottom. Is that clear to everyone? No, it is not clear.
Yes.
Yes. It's clear.
Clear? So now you understood how it is working. 100, 200. This is just a bucket. ASCII value will come into picture when you have to sort this bucket. Okay. So that's all. I still many things are there. Okay. Many stuff are there here. But I will take a pause. If you have a question, first of all, you ask me. Then I will proceed further.
So I just want to like whatever we have seen the scenarios, different scenarios. So one thing is common, like though we have seen the common scenario like ascending and descending, right? So one thing we can say at the conclusion, like it is sorting on the basis of ASCII only, no matter.
Correct.
Okay.
Correct. Good conclusion. Good conclusion. Yes. Okay. Suppose now the question is that Tanveer, I want to keep India at the top and all other countries in descending order. Then what you will do? Sorry. Is the question clear? India at the top and the remaining countries in descending order. Then what you will do?
Then 100, 200 descending.
Good. 100.
200 descending.
200. And here we keep it descending. Got it?
Yes.
India is at the top, right? Remaining countries, is this in descending order?
Yes.
Clear? Is this clear?
Yes.
Yes.
ELSE
Yes.
mean, what is the meaning of else? ELSE.
Else means you are telling keep India in bucket number 100. It is a simple dictionary meaning of else. What is the dictionary meaning of else? Apart from that, right? Correct? So you are telling apart from India, what all values are left out, keep that in bucket number 200. That is else. That is what I've shown you here. I kept India in the bucket number 2. Else, apart from India, whatever was there, I kept that in bucket number 3. Is that clear?
Yes.
Any other question?
So can we discuss that first you enter that query now?
Which one?
Like India, then 100, name descending like that. Else 200 was not there.
I will come to that. I will come to that. Leave that for the time being.
Okay.
Still before that, I have to explain many other concepts. I will come to that. Okay. Any questions so far?
Tanvir, what if I have to keep, the particular in the table 2, sorry, in the bucket 2, if I keep a particular name, country in the top, so how I can do that?
Before that, I'll come to your question. Before that, I have one more concept to deliver, but I will answer you. Okay. Many times what happen now, you will be asking question. Okay. And I will tell you that I will answer after some time, next class, here and there. Please make a note of those questions. Okay. And if I'm missing those questions, ask it again. That time you told like they'll be telling this question, you are explaining this question. Let me know. Okay. Before your question, I have one more scenario. And this is very interesting. I want you guys to think and then tell me the output. Okay. Ready, guys? Okay.
Yes.
You all are ready. Think carefully, then tell me for this, what will be the output?
A will be on the top and India will be at the bottom, means last. Same scenario,
So,
but India at the last.
Yeah.
India will be at the bottom. Okay. Anyone else? You all agree with Firoz?
Yeah.
But I am getting response from very selected participant. Not sure others, they're not active or what. Okay. Any other thought here?
Yeah, yes, India will be at bottom because a sky value of a small a is 97 and capital A is 65.
Good. Correct answer. Now let's again try to understand it here. You are keeping India in which bucket? Bucket number A, correct? India will be in this bucket. Remaining country in this uppercase A bucket, correct? Now, ASCII value, we have to sort it in ascending order. ASCII value of lowercase a is lower or uppercase A?
Uppercase A.
Uppercase A. So that's why this will be at the top. Okay. And this will be at the bottom. Clear?
Yeah.
Then you are telling name descending. So you are telling sort this in descending order. So first United Kingdom will be there, then Russia and all those things, right? Let me run this query. Check India is at the bottom. India is at the bottom. Got it?
Yes.
Clear? Okay. Clear to everyone? Are you sure, guys?
Yes.
If it's not clear, tell me. I will repeat this. This is a very important concept. Because
Clear,
this will be
Tanvir.
used in window function, many other functions. Clear, right? Okay.
Yes.
So Tanvir, one
Okay.
question.
Yeah.
So if I wanted to keep the India and Sri Lanka at 1 and 2 places, so how do we write the query?
That is what I'm coming to that next question. Good. That's the next scenario, actually. Good. So now the question is, I want to keep India uppercase. I want to keep India first and then Sri Lanka. That's what you are asking, right? Correct?
Yes, yes.
That's the question, right? Okay. So for this, what I will do, and actually you all know the answer for this. Okay. Suppose let's not go to the query directly. Let's check this one. Now the question is, I want India at the top, and then you want Sri Lanka, and maybe all the other countries you want after this, and maybe in ascending or descending order, right? Whatever order it may be. For this, you tell me, India, should I keep this in which bucket?
A, small a.
One, bucket number one, shall I take for India?
Yeah, bucket number one.
Okay.
Yes.
Bucket number one. Take it with numbers, and then we can translate this to alphabets or whatever you want. Sri Lanka in which bucket?
Bucket number 1.
Shall I keep Sri Lanka in bucket number 2?
Yes.
We can keep in 1 as well. I will show you that part as well. First of all, I'm showing a very simple, straightforward stuff. I'm keeping Sri Lanka in bucket number 2, okay? And the else part, all remaining countries in which bucket?
Third.
Third bucket. So United Kingdom will be here. This will be here, right? Correct. So here, how many bucket we want?
3.
3 bucket.
3 bucket. That's all. Question is done. The background noise is there. May I request either Yogesh or Firoz to please unmute. Okay. So case when name is equal to India, which bucket? 1. Okay. Then you have to make one more when name is equal to Sri Lanka, then which bucket? 2, else 3, and then end it, and then name ascending or descending, whatever you want. Is that clear? Verify the output. Is that clear?
Yes.
Yes.
Now if you're telling that no, Tanvir, after Sri Lanka, I want United Kingdom, then what to do?
Then when
Again,
name
when
is equal to United Kingdom, then 3.
and else 4.
Else 4.
Okay, clear? Now you can play with this guy. Okay, you got United Kingdom at 3rd. Now you can play with this, do whatever you want, left, right. I have told all these things. Okay. Yeah, any other question?
So now, like if we have understood the concept, so it's no need to put every time else. Directly we can put end. So end is something or
correct. Now you will understand it. If I'm not putting else here, okay, now check the output. I remove the else part. Now check the output. It's still the same output, right? So else is like it is not mandatory. If I'm writing here else 4, it is fine, a new bucket 4 will be created. But if you're not writing it, what engine will do, it will create something dummy bucket, and it will keep all the remaining things in that dummy bucket, and automatically that will be thrown at the last. So that is why I started with that only. I have not used that else part, if you guys remember it, right? You guys remember that?
yes.
So that is why else part is not mandatory. Okay, if you're not mentioning else part, your engine will put all the remaining countries in a dummy bucket, and that will be thrown at the last. But to make this code more readability, you can write else 4, so it will be clear cut that the remaining countries will be in bucket number 4. I'm done with this order by and case. Now, if you have any question, please ask. Is it complicated, guys? Is it complicated?
No.
Okay. Quickly, I will revise Okay, from where I started, we have started with simple one numbers. I've shown you for this that you can do ID descending, ascending, anything if you want to sort in ascending order. By default, it takes in ascending order, or DAC descending. This is the DAC where we have used this earlier.
To describe the table.
Describe the table.
Describe the table. And if you guys remember at that moment, I have mentioned this, that DAC is the only keyword in the SQL which has two different functionality. Same keyword, two entirely different functionality. Okay. So then I have shown you for alphabets. So order by works for alphabet as well. Okay. Then I have shown you what will happen if you have conflicting name for two records. Then we have seen that we can give a second column as well, but this will come into picture only when the first column has conflicting name. Okay. And we have seen here lowercase, uppercase, null, everything. Hope you guys have understood it. Then I have shown you how to sort if you have letters, lowercase, uppercase. Then here we learned that actually SQL works based on the ASCII. Each and every character 0, 1, 9, 2, 3, lowercase, uppercase, everything, they have a special value fixed, and that is known as ASCII value. And actually your SQL engine works on this ASCII value. It converts your data in this ASCII, and then it sorts this ASCII, and then corresponding data it will show it to you. Okay. Or order by works totally on ASCII only. Then we have seen here that, okay, ascending or descending we can do, but if you want to customize our sorting, like here we want India first or Sri Lanka, then all those things, then you will learn that we can create buckets. We have to play with buckets, right? So then 1, 2, 3, you can add multiple conditions. And again, this works on the ASCII. Hope it is clear. Any question, guys?
No.
I'm done now. The forum is open. If you have any question, please ask.
Tanvir, the same question, I already asked about the second bucket. If the remaining countries in the second bucket, in the second bucket, I have to keep, the particular country on the upside. So, on the top. So how I can keep that on the top?
Bucket top. No, I didn't get your question. Can you
Suppose
repeat?
suppose India is in the first bucket and in the second bucket.
One minute. Select staff from country. Order by is one. Not tell me. Where name is equal to what you want?
First one is India. In the first bucket, India.
Oh, you want multiple countries in one bucket. That's what you're telling.
Yeah.
Okay. So for that, you have to use in operator. Have I taught you in operator?
No.
No. Okay. Then I will not explain in detail about n, because in, not in, actually I take in a separate session. But to quickly answer, when you want to insert multiple values, you use this in operator. Okay. You want India, right? And then background noise. 1 minute. Now I think Kiran was asking. Who was asking? Yeah, now yeah, tell me.
UK.
India, United Kingdom. United Kingdom. Then
Russia. And that's it.
Then Russia. See, guys, I am not teaching anything about in now. We will cover this in a separate session. But to quickly understand it, when you want to enter multiple countries, you have to use in separated by comma. Okay. You want to keep this in bucket 1?
Yeah.
Okay. Then what else?
Then bucket 2, the remaining countries in the bucket.
Okay. Else 2. That's all?
Yeah.
And you want to sort it in ascending or descending? Anything?
Descending.
Let me take it. Okay, fine. Before I execute this, let's again verify this. Always make it a habit before running the query. Try to analyze on your own that what is happening actually. Where is the country? This is our table. Okay. In bucket 1, what you have? India. Then what I have? United Kingdom.
Russia.
Then what I have? Russia. Okay. In bucket number 2, what you have? The remaining countries. Okay. Now, this is done. You have end. You have no more bucket. Which bucket will display at the top? Bucket 1.
Yeah.
This will be at the top. This is your bucket number 1. Merge it. Let me give some color here. Bucket number 1. Then you have bucket number 2. Bucket number 2. Let's mark 2 here. Margin center. Give some color. So far, any question?
No.
So far, any question? Anyone? No. Okay. After this, what you are telling? Name descending, right? Name descending. It means you are telling to SQL engine that engine go in this bucket number 1, sort this in ascending order. So in ascending order, first of all, you'll be having India, correct?
Yeah.
And then RSTUV, Russia, correct? And then United Kingdom.
Descending, na?
Oh, sorry. Good catch. Oh, RSTU. Good catch. Sorry. Sending this one in Russia, then India, correct?
Yes.
So bucket number 1 sorting is done. Then your engine will enter the bucket number 2. It will sort this one. In descending, first of all, Sri Lanka will be there, right? Correct me if I'm doing some mistake here. Then RST, LMNOP, Pakistan, LMN in Nepal, and China, and then Afghanistan at the last. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Is it clear?
Yes.
Now I'm running this, verify the output. Please verify the output. This is the output of your engine. Is it same?
Yeah.
Got it?
Yes.
Okay. Fine. Any other question? Yogesh, your voice is not audible clearly. Not only for me, others you can hear?
No, it is breaking.
Breaking. Yogesh, can you try again? Oh, it's still breaking. It seems maybe some network issue at your end, or maybe you are not close to mic. Yogesh, it's still not clear, Yogesh, sorry.
Basically, sir, what platform we need to use for the practice?
Rinku, what you're telling?
I'm asking that what platform we need to use for the practice? Means it's a live SQL or SQL Server.
Okay. Although your voice is too low, but I understood you're telling on which platform you have to practice. Here I'm practicing on this live editor. This is Oracle Live SQL. Very simple. Go on Google, type Oracle Live SQL. It will ask you to create an account. Create the account. You say this is a Oracle Live SQL. Just type this in Google. Okay, this one. It will ask you to create your account, your Gmail ID, password, create that account, and you can practice it here. I prefer this one because this is a online editor. Even those who are working on official laptop, you can try this. But we are free. If you want to practice on MySQL, you can install MySQL as well. Installation is very simple. We have that link in our channel we have mentioned. If you want to practice on SQL Server, you can install SQL Server. You can practice there as well. If you want to practice on Postgres, your wish, you practice anywhere. Okay, it is same. A little bit 1% syntax difference is there, that we tell you the way the syntaxes are different. Okay, you are free to practice anywhere. Okay, Rinku, is that clear?
Okay, thank you.
Okay, no problem. Any other question? No. Okay. Fine then, guys. I will
Tanvir,
stop
I
here.
think Yogesh typed something in question
Yogesh
for a
is telling
question.
there is some network issue. I'm asking that we sort bucket one with descending. Oh, okay. This I will take tomorrow, because if I will start that now, we will not, maybe that will create a confusion here. But yes, you can do that. You have to write here DESC Yogesh. Okay, and you can reverse the order of this as well. A minute. You can reverse the order here, but I don't want to trigger that discussion now. We'll take it tomorrow. Please remind me tomorrow. I will. Okay, I will take it tomorrow. Okay. Any other question? Okay, Yogesh, no problem. Fine then, guys. I will give you a few assignments today. Please work on that and discuss assignment question tomorrow. Take care. Thank you. Bye.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Yeah,
Thank you.
thanks.
Bye.
Thank you. Bye.